how to save an image on your iPhone as a PDF file. You could do this with just one image, or you could do a whole bunch of images as one PDF file and share it with anyone. The first thing is I need to go to my Photos app here and find the images that I want to save as a PDF. Now, if I select one, I could do it with one, or select multiple images, and I'll go ahead and select this screenshot as an example. Press the share icon right over here, and I have to scroll down and click Print. Then it's going to give you this print menu. We don't want to print it, but all we have to do now is press share again right on top. And this time, we're going to go ahead and save this to a file. This option will show up over here. I'll press Save to File, and then it's going to ask you where you want to save it. So I'm going to choose Downloads, and then I'm going to press Save. Now, in order to find it, I need to find an app called Files, open it, and here's that folder. So this is the PDF I just created, and you could always press and hold just to make sure it's in PDF file format. Press Get Info, and you should see PDF documents, not image or JPEG over here. And you could also quickly share this with the share icon over here, or just keep it saved on your iPhone as a PDF. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.